I'm inside a dense area. It's like very scary out here. According to you, what would be the best place in Bangalore to chill early in the morning? You must say MG Road. No, not at all. And you must say Alsu Lake, but I think hardly people go over there. So let me show you around what I'm talking about. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nanna hesaru Harshit. Ellargu namaskara. My name is Harshit. So today I'm in Cubbon Park, where all the fitness freaks from Bangalore do come here once in their lifetime. From kids to elders, from pets to lovers. Everybody do come out here and work out to make their health better. So let's check it out today. Alright, so I think you guys guessed it right. I'm in Cubbon Park. Cubbon Park in the city of Bangalore is a major sightseeing place. It's an ideal place for nature lovers and those who are seeking for calm environment. Cubbon Park was first established in the year 1870 by John Mayday. So it was called as Mayday's Park back then. Then later it was named in honor of Lord Cubbon. So we call it as Cubbon Park now. In the year 1927 it was officially renamed as Sri Chamarajendra Park in the honor of Krishnaraja Vadiyar. Initially, the Cubbon Park was started with only 100 acres of land, but now it has been extended to around 300 acres of land. Everywhere you see, it's all greenery around. As far as I know, there are 4 gates to the Cubbon Park. The first gate would be opposite to the MG Road. The second one would be opposite to the UB City. The third one, I can say, when you're coming from Majestic or KR Market side towards the Corporation Circle, there's another gate. And the fourth one would be behind the High Court of Karnataka. Cubbon Park is so huge that you may get lost sometimes finding your way out or to the place where you want to go in. But if you're regular or may come few times, you will be able to make out on which way you may have to take. You will have a certain idea on which way to take once you get used to this place. For kids to have good time, there is Jawahar Bal Bhavan inside the Cubbon Park. This is called Bandstand. All the cultural events such as music or dance is performed here.
This ancient and beautiful structure is called the State Central Library. There is also Karnataka State Lawn Tennis Association for all the pet lovers. Next to the State Central Library, there is a dog park. All the convenience for the public is being provided. Proper drinking facilities, proper washrooms, places to sit are found all around. Metro stations are nearby. Dustbins are being put up at different places. A huge parking facility is available. Signboards are being put up wherever it is necessary.
I'm inside a dense area. It's like very scary out here. You can see me around. I'm covered by plants all around me. Let me get out of here before someone catch hold of me and think I'm doing something wrong. Well, that's it for today. If you have enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and do share it with your friends so that they get an idea about Cubbon Park and you guys can hang out here. And do subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Until then, see you next time. Ride safe, stay safe.